Why are school nurses so bad at their job? Like, there's no way they are actual nurses, because I remember one time at recess, me and a couple other kids were playing on the playground, and one kid fell off the bars and his arm bent the wrong way. So you could literally see his bone sticking out of his arm, and the kid started screaming. So me and another guy took him to the office. And when we got there, you know what the nurse did? She was like, okay, wait, let me get something for you. And she walks into the room next door and comes back with an ice pack and says, here, use this. What do you mean use this? My guy's bone was sticking out of his arm and you want him to put an ice pack on that? Not every injury can be solved with an ice pack, Gretchen. This man needs to have surgery. Call a real hospital. Doc McStuffins would be doing a better job than you at this point. And I'm sure that not all school nurses were like this, but at least at my school, the nurse would literally give an ice pack for every injury. Oh, you have a headache? Here's an ice pack. Oh, your stomach hurts? Here's an ice pack. Oh, your humerus is sticking out of your arm? Here's an ice pack.